This is season 2 of Mystery Meat. Same format as last time. We get the meat from Halteman. We don't know what it is. We cook it. The difference is we're in South Dakota. We brought the meat all the way across the country in coolers, and we're opening up one by one as we go through each episode. The scenery should be epic. I'm looking forward to it. All right, we got a good hot fire. It's time for this week's episode to get started. I got my big package here. You can see it's a little soggy from the long drive in the cooler, but that shouldn't hurt anything. So I'm gonna cut in here, and I really have no guesses this time, although I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be any kind of steak, but we'll see what we got here. I believe I guessed right. Wow, those are some drumsticks. I believe we have some turkey drumsticks here, or possibly the world's biggest chicken. So, looking great. This is pretty much a no-brainer for me. Right here, I've got Derek Wolf's Chipotle garlic rub from Spiceology. That's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna apply it pretty liberally all the way around. And then I'm gonna grill at a medium heat, keep the grill off a little bit. Because it is a fairly thick piece and it's poultry, you don't wanna go super high heat because it'll burn the skin before the inside cooks. So I'm looking forward to trying how these things turn out. I did do a turkey drumstick once before for Thanksgiving. I think it was on a fire pit. I think it was 2015, maybe something like that. And those turned out great, so I'm gonna probably do a similar thing, although at that point I didn't have the Chipotle garlic rubs. I'm gonna throw that on and we'll see what we got. So whenever you're putting a rub on any kind of poultry, you really kind of want to press the rub in as much as you can, get it into the cricks and crannies, and so that it really absorbs in, so when you throw it on the grill, it doesn't just fall off. So this is adhering quite nicely. I'm gonna go a little bit more, and then sometimes what I'll even do is when it's on the grill, if I see a spot that seems to be missed a bit, I'll hit that with some rub, even while it's on the fire pit. All right, I believe they are done. I checked a bunch of different temperatures around. Looks like we're in the 160s to 170s, which is what you want for poultry. So I'm gonna pull off these turkey drumsticks here. They are looking pretty fantastic. Now for the taste test. Here we go. That's an excellent turkey drumstick. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next episode.